What's going on, guys? Today we'll be doing the quiz for Java variables. Now, what is the value of num? So the value of num, so let's calculate it using PEMDAS, parentheses first, so the innermost parentheses, so that's 7, and then 10 minus 7 is going to be 3, times 6 is going to be 18. Yep. Which option is a valid variable name and follows the Java naming conventions? Time until lunch, launch, not lunch. Second phone number, time until lunch, second phone number. So, so first of all, this one is not valid. The only one that does look valid is this because it uses a naming camel case, right? This uses the camel case. It's the most valid one. Now, what line of code declares a variable called numRabbits to store a whole number? Okay, so this is really easy, okay? So if we review it, we'll note that we need to declare a data type, okay? A whole number. So that's an int. So we look for what starts with an int, indent right here. This is what it'll do. And which of the following lines would throw a compilation error? Now let's look at it here. Okay, so char, it's F, yep, correct. String A, yep, correct. Int -30, yep, correct. Double false? No, false is a boolean. So this isn't the right one. Okay, which line declares the variable best programming languages and initializes it to Java? So remember, we need a data type, okay? So these two use data types. The only difference between this is a capital S and a lowercase s. Now, if we review our knowledge on Java, we'll know that string always starts with a capital S. Okay, what data type can be assigned to one of two values? Now this is obviously talking about true and false, which is the Boolean data type. Which of the following values is a valid car? 7 or F, A, B, A, or 7. Remember, a car can only hold, car or char, whatever you want to call it, can only hold a single character. Now, that single character has to be a letter, so it's A or C right here, or F and A, right? And remember, we have to enclose it in single quotes. Single character within single quotes. And our last question for the day is going to be what value cannot be assigned to a variable with the data type double. So these are all valid. Now this cannot be assigned because of the one factor that it's a string. It's not an actual number, it's a string, so it cannot be done. And we got 100. And then until next time, I'll be doing the project. So I'll see you guys in the next video.